tonight we got a CSX westbound train heading down the line. We are at Bayview Road. Before we get to this video, I want to get this video a big thumb, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And let's get some trains right now. This fucking jackass is pissing me off, to be honest. So, what have we got for power? So I'm heading to Canada this Thursday at Coburg, Ontario. So hopefully you all noticed that the trip will be like a 7-hour Railfanning this Thursday. Heading to Coburg, Ontario in the East Toronto area. Are you sure it's long? Symbol on that train is CSX I-169. The 169 originates from Port Newark, New Jersey, heads west to Chicago, Illinois, where it terminates at the 59th Street Yard. On this Sunday, December 24th, 2023, by Brendan in the Railfanning on YouTube. Railfanning at Christmas Eve. Tomorrow is Christmas. And this Thursday, we're heading to Coburg, Ontario to get the 7-hour madness. So on to the next train clip. Roll it.